What if I told you that you could run massive AI models on a basic, thin and light laptop without your fan spinning up at all? The secret is offloading the work to a free cloud GPU or your home server. But until today, setting that up meant dealing with a massive networking headache. Enter LM Link. In the next 2 minutes, I will show you how to securely pair your devices without Ngrok, without opening router ports, and without using any third-party tunnel services. Just a seamless, encrypted connection that gives you massive AI power instantly. We will also learn how to set up and use the remotely hosted LLMs with coding assistance. Here's how it works under the hood. LM Link isn't a clunky AI tunnel. It's an end-to-end encrypted peer-to-peer network built on Tailscale. When you ask a question on your local laptop, LM Link intercepts it, sends it securely to your remote GPU to process, and sends the answer back. Neither Tailscale nor LM Studio ever see your data. It feels 100% local, but your remote hardware is doing all the heavy lifting. Let's build it. I'm going to use a free Google Colab T4 GPU as our host, but this works exactly the same for an old home desktop or a RunPod server. And just to be clear, LM Link works for all combinations. You can run the desktop app on both machines or the CLI on both. We're using the LM Studio CLI on Colab and the local desktop app today because it shows you exactly how both work. First, open the Google Colab link in the description and ensure your runtime is set to T4 GPU. This gives us 16 gigabytes of free VRAM. Next, we install the LM Studio headless daemon. Run the install cell, add it to your path, and then start the engine by running lms daemon up. Now we link the devices. Run lms login. It will generate a 3-word pairing code. Don't share this code with anyone unless you want strangers using your GPU to write text messages to their ex. Click the link, log into your LM Studio account, and enter the code. Boom! Your free cloud GPU is now securely attached to your account. Let's grab a model. Run lms get Qwen 3.5 9b. This CLI is smart. It automatically finds the best quantization for your 16 gigabyte T4 GPU. Make sure you click the input box in Colab and type yes to start the download. Once downloaded, we load it into the GPU memory. I'm adding a 32K context length flag here so we can use this for coding tasks later. With 16 gigabytes of VRAM, you can run much larger models with longer context lengths. We're using this model for demonstration purposes only. Now, flip to your local machine, open LM Studio, click the gear icon to go to Settings, and log in with the exact same account. Now, go to the LM Link tab and flip the toggle to On. Let's quickly turn on Developer Mode here. It makes it easier to start and manage the API server, which we'll need later to connect the remote model to coding agents. And just like that, your Colab instance shows up as a connected device. No configuration, no port forwarding, no firewall rules. Now, when you open the model dropdown in chat, you'll see the Qwen model listed with a network icon. Click it and send a message. Watch how fast that response streams in. That is the T4 GPU doing the work. Your laptop is doing almost nothing. It's so deeply integrated, you can even see the live VRAM usage of the remote machine right from here. You can eject the model or load a different one, all without ever touching Colab again. But here's the ultimate workflow: AI coding assistance. Because your laptop is acting as the bridge, you don't need to expose your Colab IP to the public internet. Start your local server in LM Studio on port 1234. Open VS Code, go to your favorite coding agent like Klein or Kylo Code, pick OpenAI Compatible, and point it to localhost 1234 v1 endpoint. Put any random key here, doesn't matter, plug in the appropriate model ID, and hit the Save button. We're good to go now. Your IDE sends the massive code-based query to your local machine, LM Link instantly tunnels it to the Colab GPU, and you get lightning-fast AI coding with a much larger model, longer context length, and high throughput, entirely for free. If you ever lose track of what's using up your memory across your devices, go to your terminal or Colab and type LMS-PS. This gives you a bird's-eye view of every model currently loaded across your entire LM Link network. The full Google Colab notebook with all the code is linked in the description below, so you can clone it and run it instantly. If this saved you from spending $3 on a new laptop, hit that like button. Subscribe for more local AI workflows, and I'll see you in the next one.